Withdrawing money from your Etsy shop to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your funds are transferred smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Start by visiting the Etsy website and logging into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access Shop Manager. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page and selecting Shop Manager from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Finances. In the Shop Manager, look for the Finances section on the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your financial information, including your balance and payment settings. Step 4. Select Payment Account. Within the Finances section, find and click on Payment Account. Here you can view your available balance and manage your payment settings. Step 5. Withdraw funds. To withdraw your funds, click on the Withdraw button. Follow the prompts to select the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Your funds will be sent to your linked bank account. Once you have completed these steps, your money will be on its way to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank for the transfer after a few business days.